Not sure how to use your Chigo AC Remote? Model number ZH-GT-01. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Chigo AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Want it cooler or warmer? Use the temperature plus and temperature minus buttons to adjust the room temperature just the way you like it. More chill or a bit of warmth. It's all in your control. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the airflow button to adjust the strength and direction of the air being blown from the unit. Each press changes the fan speed or louver position, allowing you to customize airflow for optimal comfort. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The hold button locks the current settings or display on the unit, preventing accidental changes until the button is pressed again. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. The lamp button on the AC remote turns on the display or backlight, making the buttons easier to see in low light conditions. The clean button on the AC remote activates a self-cleaning or purifying mode, helping to remove dust, bacteria, and odors from the unit for fresher air. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Chigo AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.